Picture a high-value man in your mind for a second. Imagine how he looks like, how he behaves, what he smells like, how he dresses. Now, picture this man walking into a room. How do you think others react to him? Do they all come close to him and shake his hand? Maybe they come to listen to his wisdom. Well, that's exactly what you can expect of a high-value man. Respect. Respect from other men is the quickest way to judge a man's worth. However, men of today lack this completely. In fact, I know so many bosses and so-called leaders who people should look up to, yet no one respects them, even in the slightest. It is true that there will always be men who won't care or respect you, regardless of your worth. But there are proven strategies that you can use to demand that respect. With that said, here are 4 reasons why men disrespect you and how to win that respect back. Listen closely. Reason number 1, you're not big enough. When it comes to social events or environments, such as work or school, the biggest and strongest looking man is the one who will get most of the attention from women, but also from other men. Every single man out there would rather be friends with the alpha of the group rather than finding themselves against him. As for the men who are lacking in size and power, the opposite is true. Any man who's more muscular than you will immediately see you as inferior in their subconscious mind. And if that perception of you isn't compensated by your other qualities, then it will become a conscious thought. There's no point in blaming them, because nature has evolved men to be competitive creatures. The only thing left for you to do is to go out and hit the gym. The most important thing is to keep in mind is your size. You can't just do a bit of cardio and pretend to be respected just like that. You must learn the art of bulking and gaining muscle mass, turning yourself into a disciplined warrior. As you'll become bigger and bulkier, the respect you're going to get from other men will skyrocket, as if they see you as their equal, if not, as someone who's superior to them. Of course, everyone has different goals in the gym. Some just want to cut, some just want to go there and stay healthy. But if you really want to be respected, then at least have some muscle definition showing when you put on your clothes. As childish as this point may sound to some of you, it doesn't disregard the fact that we all make this judgment subconsciously. There are so many stories of men who used to get bullied for being skinny, but once they put on significant muscle mass, the same bullies began looking up to them. Reason number 2, because you lack respect for your own self. Have you seen men who use self-deprecating humor and try to make themselves more likable? Well, that's the quickest way to show others how you truly see yourself. Young brother, always remember that self-respect is the one thing that you must possess in order to have a flourishing social life. Without self-respect, you'll simply let people walk all over you. That's right. Even if you do something productive like exercising or studying for your career, if you don't have a bit of respect for yourself, no one will be cheering for you. How do you expect other people to respect you if you don't even have nice things to say about yourself? There is only one true way to respect yourself. Want to know what that is? Simple. Develop a solid, unbreakable, positive mental image of yourself. Remember, we all have an image of ourselves. For example, what type of man comes to your mind when you hear your name and think about yourself? Everything you have been doing over and over again has made up an image of you in your mind. That image can be either good or bad. Fortunately, if that image is bad, you can change it by repeating better habits over and over again. You should see yourself as your own best friend, as someone who will support you no matter what. And stop making self-deprecating jokes like I said before. Bruce Lee once said, "Stop talking negatively about yourself, even as a joke. Your body doesn't know the difference." And remember, when other men disrespect you, be ready to leave. Keep your standards high and carefully choose the people you let into your life. Reason number 3, men disrespect you because you are too emotional. Despite being conditioned by the modern agenda that plagues humanity, a man's brain will always be centered on masculinity. Even if we think it's right for a man to display emotions and not be stoic, whenever we see such an individual, we can't help but feel like they don't deserve our respect. This is why you struggle with making and keeping friends. To them, you're nothing but an annoying, emotional man who needs a good punch in the face. It may be painful to hear, but that's the ultimate truth. Going back to the previous point, by being emotional, you'll also become needy. Even if other men respect you, you won't be able to go through the discomfort of letting them go. I have seen so many men who continuously get picked on and bullied by their so-called friends, but they just don't want to leave them. They stay with them for years, continuously taking the abuse. With each abuse they take, their self-esteem drops lower and lower, and so does their image about themselves. The moment you start taking control of your reactions is the moment other men look at you with admiration instead of resentment. One of the easiest ways to take control of your emotions is to never act on your negative emotions. Never complain. If you are angry, just eat that anger up and smile. This control to defy your natural reactions won't just get you a man's respect, but also great things will be added to your life. And finally, reason number 4, you're not supportive. Imagine struggling with a specific problem that you've been dealing with for a while. No matter how hard you try to find a solution to it, you can't seem to find anything that works. So you go get your friend in search of advice. If your friend was worth keeping, he would do his best to help you out and would feel the same joy you would feel when you succeed. On the other hand, a person who doesn't deserve the title of a friend will make fun of you for reasons to not talk to you and overall be as unsupportive as possible. If you have been struggling with getting respect from other men, then keep this in your mind, young brother. It may very well be because you're one of those unsupportive friends who has no value to add to others. It can be easy to be self-absorbed in this modern society that is dictated by greed, instant gratification, and the death of masculinity. But what you must do is to carefully evaluate your behavior to see how you've been unhelpful towards the people around you. If you provide no value to the men around you, or worse, actively spread negativity, you'll never be able to get their respect. Toxic people exist, and you might be one of them. Think of all the times when you could have helped your brothers when they were struggling, and think of the ways you could have done the right thing. Then make it your goal to do the right thing whenever the chance appears before you. But here's the most important part. Help without expectation. Listen to that again. Help without expectation. When you help a brother, don't expect anything from him in return. By becoming supportive towards your brotherhood, you'll easily gain the respect of any and all men around you, because genuinely nice people are rare in this modern era. On top of that, you'll get a boost in your mental health by feeling needed and appreciated. You get what you give, and it's time to start giving. So remember, brothers, if you wish to be respected among your masculine spaces, then you have to put in a lot of hard work and effort. But the rewards you'll get will be worth more than your sweat and tears. To see the next best way to level up as a man, check this video here.